Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to clean the toilet, especially the male toilet. So I'm going to show you what are the things needed when cleaning the toilet. So let's get started. First, we need some toilet duck, and then we need also the spray. You can use some old sponge. And we need 2 towels. And be sure to have your own bucket so that you always put your stuff inside whenever you clean your toilet. So let's get started. And I'm going to show you how to clean the toilet. First, we need to bring this out. Guys, so I'm done cleaning the bathroom. So I forgot to show you. So be sure to clean also the inside of the cabinet. But for me, I just only wipe the fingerprints here. And you can clean once in a while, or you can wipe a little some part here. So it's up to you. You just check every time if there is some dirt, so you can clean inside. But if not dirty, you just clean. If there is a double mirror, you can clean the mirror and the fingerprints and also the glass. So I usually use some wet and dry towel, I don't spray, I don't use the window cleaner. So today I just spray the watermark here, and I use some wet and dry towel, and also I use only wet and dry towel here, so there is no blur. If you use only wet towel, you will see the glass is very clear, but if you use the window cleaner, you can see some blurred or some other mark. So that's all, guys, for today. So if you need to wash the laundry, you have to take out the laundry and also the garbage. So for now, I will not wash the laundry because it's still a little. So I just take out the garbage. So every day you have to take out the garbage even though it's little. So that's all, guys, for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.